So once I've exported the pattern with print as a PDF from Clo 3D, I'm going to open it in Photoshop because I also need to change the file format. I need Tiff for the sublimation printer we have at the Science School Culling. And I also want to shrink it so it's half size so I can use it for a half size mannequin. This is a very big hefty file, and I can see now that I could have packed it a little bit better. This is something to consider, to waste less fabric. So you pack it as closely as you can. Okay, I'm now gonna select the whole of my pattern here, and then afterwards I'm gonna transform it, and I don't think it picked up on it, so we're just gonna now it picked up on it. Okay, so then I'm gonna go Command T for transform it. It is a hefty file, so up here I get the possibility on a linked proportion here to change my size, and I'm going to change it. Half size, of course, is 50 centimeters. I find, however, that our half sizes are slightly bigger, so I'm just going to go with 52 in this case. And because it's linked, I get both sides, and I'm going to assign it, say yes, or like that, and it's going to transform it. And now I can say save as, and I have my print ready, and I'm going to click here, and I'm going to click on Tiff, and I'm going to say save, and I'm going to say yes to this because we want it just like the settings are here, and I'll say yes, thank you. And now I've got this, and I can send it to print for my digital fabric printer.